Note the helmet is high up because the modular integrated communication helmet cuts high on the ear so that we can accommodate his earpiece. Hydration pack, 3 liter in his back, M249, assault weapon, squad automatic weapon, multi-cam, thank you, Vince Lopez. Okay, another variation of multi-cam.